welcome back to Sync with Sarah. It's your girl's first day of college today, like the first official day when we are having classes. So I thought it's only right if I vlog it. I also got like a really short haircut, which I probably need to maintain, but I usually just clutch it on the go. Okay, ignore that, that's all my luggage, ignore it. Maybe afterwards I'll go somewhere because my classmates were making plans for us to go out, like get to know each other a little bit and all of that. I'm not quite sure right now, but right now I'll be going by metro, so that's like super exciting because that's how I'll be traveling for the next 3, maybe 4 years. I don't know how excited I should be, if I should be excited at all or not. But okay, I don't know if I've already mentioned this or not, but your girl took economics. So I only have one lecture today and it is my maths class. So that's what I'm going to college for. This is actually not my first time going to college because I already went once. So today is Tuesday. I already went on Friday. It was like a chill orientation with just your classmates. I have my proper orientation on the 7th, so that's cool. But it's my like first official day of college when I'll actually be attending lectures and stuff. And so yeah, I'm just gonna vlog my entire day because I feel like this is quite a milestone to be done with school. Oh my god. Yeah, so we have like a monkey issue in our house, like there are a bunch of monkeys everywhere. So my sister read somewhere that if you put a photo or whatever this animal is, they stop coming. Did that work? No, it didn't, but still. My bag is literally the cutest thing ever. I'm packing it for the first time. But disclaimer for people who I know have clicked on this video for the tea, for the gossip, for the info, like which college I'm in, if I'm in Delhi University or not, what course I've taken, why I took it, if I'm in PG, if I'm in hostel, all of that info. Don't worry, I'll be making a separate video on that because you know those are a lot of details, so stay tuned for that. Right now I'm off to college. I know I've traveled before by metro and I know I'm only 2 stations away, yet my dad went to drop me to the metro station because I haven't like done this stuff alone. I'm always with my sisters, so it was like a good learning experience, and it honestly feels so surreal to be suddenly out of school and having to do everything alone. Then I got to college, was hanging out with my friends that I made on Friday, and then I had my maths class. You can guess how that went. Class is over and the idea is to get to know your department better. So then we wanted to hang out together, like a huge group. Face को से किसी को issue नहीं है ना? नहीं, मेरा दिखा. 1 second. You don't want to be on YouTube, right? Where are we going, Liam?
Delhi Haat.
We are going to Delhi Haat with a bunch of people. We are waiting for the metro. What are we going to do there? Itni garmi mein. I don't know. ये VMC is throwing everybody off. ये बच्चे तो eco पढ़ रहे थे. Where are you going, Kashish?
I'm going to Delhi Haat.
Okay. Do you want an Instagram? Like,
Yeah, I will.
she wants to become an influencer, creator.
I will. Hi.
Excited?
Yes.
Hi, say cheese. Cheese. We are crossing the main road because there's the Delhi Haat, and well, we might just die. कैसे क्रॉस होगा ये रोड?
रुक जाओ.
देख. Ticket. Come on in, guys. Cute. OMG.
she's used to.
Okay. I'm also very scared of cats. Fine. अरुणाचल प्रदेश का लिखा है. We are at Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal tourism. They're having chicken momo, and the rest of them are having veg momos.
So we ordered veg momos and chili garlic noodles. And it is great. The quality
She's
is
a
crazy.
momo crazy person.
Prasiti was craving for momos.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm kind of crazy for momos.
And she is not eating anything. Do you not want anything, Kashish?
Not sure.
I'm back home, y'all. Actually, I got back home a really long time ago, but I came back and I didn't even have lunch. I just took a bath and I went to sleep. I crashed out. And can you even blame me? I have been rotting in bed for the past 2 months. And that's why everyone was like really tired. Like initially the plan was to go to CP, but then we didn't because it was too far away and we decided to go to Delhi Hat. Even there, if you think I didn't show enough, it's because I didn't do enough. We went to Arunachal Pradesh, we had food, we came back home. And I think this was like an amazing first day. I don't think this is like a standard first day. We enjoyed, we made friends, we had an amazing time there. Now I'm going to be doing something really boring, and that is I'm going to go through the notes that my maths teacher gave us. Not because I'm like studious or anything, but because everybody else in my class is like really good at maths, and that's a little concerning for someone who's not good at it. So that's what I'm just gonna go through all of that stuff. Also, if anyone's curious, like my go-to snack in my bag is date bites. It is literally not unhealthy at all. It has no sugar. It's made of like natural ingredients. The best thing I've ever had. Like this video is not even like sponsored or anything, but it's literally so yummy and healthy. And actually this is what I'm going to have right before dinner, like my before dinner snack. And that is it for this week's video. I will see you guys very soon with a lot of interesting content. So if you haven't liked, share and subscribed till now, do that, and I will see you guys next week. Bye bye.